In this video, I'll show you how to take advantage of Google Forms. You may make hundreds and hundreds of dollars every day by following and executing these procedures. First of all, I'm going to reveal a high-paying side hustle that only demands a small amount of your time. Second, I'll show you how to boost your profits using this strategy. And third, I'm going to give you an access to my $1,000 per day system. Google Forms is being used today in online classes, online jobs, or just for online surveys. We subconsciously use it daily, and not many people know that this program is a great opportunity for you to make money. So how can we make money using Google Forms? You should watch this video and I'll be showing you a detailed guide on how to create your own forms and share them with other people. And let me tell you, you can earn a lot of money just by doing this simple thing. Not many people are doing it, so this is why it is a big opportunity to make money online. Fewer people doing this method means less competition, and less competition means that you can earn more money. If you're watching this video, you are one of the lucky ones who can make money online today. Just make sure you pay close attention to this video and do not skip any parts. Let me just tell you that this method today does not require a specific set of skills or experiences. All you need is your laptop or phone and you are good to go. This is also available to be done by everyone around the world. There are no restrictions on which specific countries can do this. And most of all, this method is completely free. You do not need any initial payments or monthly subscriptions to start off. Imagine earning money for free. However, you still have to devote some of your time and effort to do this method and earn money. Yes, it is free, but effort is required. Oh, let me just tell you that you won't be a millionaire overnight just by doing this method. It will not replace your day job, and you need to put in continuous effort in order for this method to work. This method can help you earn extra from what you are earning right now. It will not make you a millionaire, but it can help you with your day-to-day expenses. Now that's all out of the way, all you have to do now is sit back, relax, and grab a beverage and pay close attention to this video. Because if you miss even one part of this video, then you will not be able to successfully make money when it is your time to do it. So watch carefully. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. To get started, I want you to go to your browser search tab and type in Google Forms. Google Forms make it simple to create and share online forms and surveys as well as analyze responses in real time. But take note, this tool will not compensate you in any way. However, we require this tool in order to generate income on the next website, which I will present to you after this. Now, I'd like you to create a free Google Form account using your own Gmail account. After that, I want you to click on this blank page to start a new form. What we're going to do here is when you come to this page on Google Forms, I want you to name the title of the form Make Money from Home. I'd like you to click on the settings button, which is placed directly above the title of the form. The next step is to enable the collect email address option by clicking the drop-down arrow next to the responses section of the screen. The reason for generating this form is because we will utilize it to determine whether or not people will be interested in purchasing the product that we will be showing to them. This has been shown to increase conversion rates. This is a method that I've used in the past. Let's get started with setting up the type of questions as multiple choice and also enable the required button for all of the questions. Now for the first question on this form, I want you to type in how much money are you currently making online. Since it's a multiple choice type of question, we're going to put options. Now for the first option, it's going to be $0. The second option may be $100+ per month. And the third option could be $1,000+ per month. It is critical that they do not make more than $10,000 per month online before we recommend a product that will help them achieve that goal. Otherwise, the product won't be of any service to them. Then we'd like to make sure that they are aiming for a monthly income for at least $10,000. For the next question, type in how much would you like to earn online. Now, for the first option, it's going to be $5,000 per month. The second option will be $10,000 per month. And the next one's going to be something a little bigger, $25,000 per month. Now, for the third and last question, this will be the final qualifying and the most important question they will be asked. Now, I'd like you to type in, do you have $500 to put in your done-for-you business that generates $10,000 or more in revenue every month? Options for this question will only be yes or no. This question was asked primarily because we are guiding them to a product that is a done-for-you service that will help them make $10,000 or more each month, but the product itself is worth $500. So we want to make sure that this person has $500 in their account before we reach out to them directly. No one wants to receive spam, therefore we need to screen potential customers to ensure that they are a good fit for our product. There is no need for us to bombard anyone with marketing messages if they are unable to invest. The next step will be click on Send button that can be located on the upper right side of the website. And then click on this small button right here that has the shape of a chain. As soon as we have the link to the form, we'll copy it and send it to others so that they can fill it out. Now, you don't need to worry, I'm going to show you where you can discover these people on the internet to fill out this form because there are thousands of them in a specific place. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Now allow me to show you the product that we will be selling. Simply type digistore24.com into your browser search bar to access the website. Digistore24 is an integrated online sales platform that includes an affiliate network, all standard payment methods, and accounting automation, including tax automation. Signing up is completely free, just fill out the details needed. Under the Marketplace menu, you'll find the option for digital products. You can get to this page by clicking on it. Just type in Done For You Services Affiliate Marketing System in the search bar and hit Enter. You'll now notice that a 50% commission is being paid out. Each sale brings in an average profit of $324. With this product, you don't even have to put in any effort to make money. Those who completed the Google form and have $500 to invest are all you need to buy this product. As a result, you'll receive a commission of $342. Now that you have the qualified people to respond to your Google form, we should be able to respond and send them an email back with a link to this product. To do so, simply go to the Response tab of your Google form and click on the Responses button. How do you get the link of the product to send to the responders? Well, just click the Promote Now button and you'll get your affiliate link for this item. Now, it's going to be a link just for you. This means that if someone clicks on this link and purchases, you will get paid. But make sure that you do have an account in Digistore24. Next, we need people to respond to our Google form. I'm going to show you two strategies that will get you 1,000 people to fill out the form in under a minute each. To begin the first strategy, go to Facebook and search for Make Money Online in the search bar. Then filter the results to only show those in groups. You'll be presented with a number of different groups that are all focused on making money on the internet. You are free to join any group that interests you. Now what I will do is I will join a group with 100,000 members so that my form will reach more people, and then I'll post in this group that I'm searching for 5 people to help me construct a done-for-you business that earns $10,000 per month. Along with it is a link to Google form. If you get responses after following these steps, you need to respond to them with the link of the product. For the second strategy, go to Google search bar and type in warriorforum.com. Warrior Forum is the world's largest internet marketing community and marketplace. So here you may go ahead and publish your links in all of these popular discussions, and you can even ask people to fill out your Google form if you want. To recap, the first step is to develop a Google form to identify potential customers for the product we plan to offer, which can be found on Digistore24. Following that, we should be able to distribute the Google form link to anyone who is interested through Facebook groups or Warrior Forum. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.